What is going on, all you incredible people of the crew? Today we are back in the WRX with another awesome install video. Today we're going to be replacing the shitty stock trim or shift boot cover and e-brake cover, the like fake leather terrible stuff, with these cool covers from Lit Car Parts or Lit Car Accessories. I will link their Instagram down below, so if you want to get these a part like this, they have all different patterns and colors and you know, whatever, you can get your own. I'm gonna go over how to install these. This is the part that it's replacing. So we have one piece that will replace this shifter cover, and then another one for the e-brake boot. Let me if we can get it to focus. Now, the main reason I bought this is because my e-brake boot, as you can see, is really worn, and it actually has a rip in it. Like, it's actually torn. And up here you can see that it's like wearing and stuff. So that was kind of my inspiration for buying these. And I'm just a sucker for camo. It's a dark gray car, so I wanted to go with like a dark gray camo. That'll eventually tie in a little bit more with like the theme of the car, I hope. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, we have to get the e-brake boot off. And how you do that, to remove this trim, you just kind of grab it right here and just pull up, and it's gonna, I mean, you gotta use a lot of force, and it'll kind of pop off, and then you can just unscrew your shift knob. Set that aside, and then this just slides over the rest of the shifter assembly. Now, what we have to do is get this inner frame disconnected from the gray part. So get the black part disconnected from the gray part by using a flathead screwdriver and popping all of these tabs all the way around back out, and then the trim will become separated from the actual boot cover, and we can slide our new one on. Alright, so now that you got the shifter cover off, we have to take the e-brake cover off. The easiest way is just to reach down, get on the passenger side of your car, reach down here between your seat, and this, it clips in kind of similar to the shift cover, so it just snaps in, and you're just going to want to slide it right on up, and then you can come up here and kind of work this up and off of the actual e-brake handle. So now we got the e-brake cover and the shifter cover. We'll take these inside and get them replaced with the new parts. Alright, so upon further inspection on this thing, I actually found the easiest way to remove this black interior trim piece is using needle nose pliers and just kind of giving this a pinch instead of trying to like pry at it with a flathead screwdriver. So what I was kind of doing is just pinching this part down, this tab right here, and then that'll allow you to pop it out, and then get the corner tab, and you can just use your thumb, and that'll release. And then you just go around and do that for all of them, and we can have this trim piece out. Okay, wow. So that part is definitely a little bit of a pain in the ass. After you get all those clips out, and then we have access to the actual shift boot, and we're just gonna slide it off of all of the tabs. Alright, so I kinda got it configured on there. Now what I'm gonna do is just take some of this fabric glue and go around like the inside of this trim piece, just to give it like a little bit extra tack. So after you get everything sort of buttoned back up, you are good to go on this. Just make sure that your clips on the other side came all the way through, and you're good to go. So we'll get into the e-brake next. Okay, for the e-boot, it's pretty easy. This is just adhered with some kind of trim adhesive, similar to like the fabric paint or the fabric glue that you just saw me use on the shift boot cover. So basically, you're just gonna peel it off and stick the new one on. So let's get into that. Okay, so what I decided to do with this piece was actually just cover over the existing leather, just because I think it's gonna make it a little bit more sturdy. So we're actually just gonna apply our glue over the existing piece and then around the edges. So similar how we would do it, I'm just leaving the existing piece on there. All right, so there is our final result. I'll get you better lighting when we're actually in the car, but I think it turned out kind of cool. All right, guys, so this is how it looks all finished up. So this is the Midnight Camo color from Lit Car Accessories. I think it looks really cool. I think it matches the interior well. And, you know, I kind of have this camo thing going. Like, I don't know, like this is... It's just something that I like. I don't know, maybe it's too tactical, maybe it's a little bit ricer or whatever, I don't know. I tend to like it. So if you want to get these parts or something similar, I will have the link to the Instagram page where you can check out all the different colors and patterns, and their website if you want to purchase something, in the description of the video. So thanks so much for watching. I think it turned out awesome, and I will see you on the next one.